Welcome to Awesome Code. Please subscribe to my channel and like my video. In this video, we are going to write a image downloader in Python. So we are going to define our function download images, and we are going to pass a URL to this function, and we also going to import OS regular expression and request. And now we are going to send a get request and get the response back. We are going to pass in URL, and we are going to get the text from our response. We are going to create our regular expression, which will parse the images from our text. So this will be our regex. We are searching for the source tag. And the link between the source tag. And we are going to get all the images image links. We are using final function, and we are going to pass in our regular expression. And our text. And we are going to loop through each image link. So for link in image links, we are going to call wget on Linux system. This will be and we are passing the link and then we are going to return done. print image downloader. And we are going to prompt the user to enter the URL from where the user want to download the images from. So this will be our link. Please enter the URL. And now we are just going to call our function download images. And we are going to pass in a link. Now we can just run our code. And here you can enter the URL and hit enter. And you can see the download started for images. So it will start downloading those images. To keep on learning, please subscribe to my channel Awesome Code. Like my video, keep supporting me, and thank you for watching.